Alright, here are my demands. I demand $10,000 cash and a helicopter, and I get to keep all the flamingos that I found here. Alright? Why don't you come fight me like a man? Put that gun away. Come on, Drop Jr., that's quite enough. Why don't you leave those nice flamingos alone and just come over here calmly? Alright? This is what's going to happen if you don't follow my demands. Jeez, I've heard about choking the chicken before, but not the flamingo. Fine, amigo. I'll drop the knife. I'll drop the gun and get my knife, and I'll show you what it means to be a man. Ugh. Not so tough now, are you, old man? I guess this is what you get for being an old boomer scum. Oh. I'll get you for this, Raindrop. This isn't over. I'll get you back for this, dude. Your ass is grass next time I see you. Wow, Raindrop. Looks like you really saved the day again, huh? Not just quite yet. He'll be back for more. But where were we? Let's get out of here, huh? Hey man, I can't breathe. Get your knee off my neck, dude. This is crazy. I can't breathe.